Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will look at some fixes you can try if Windows Installer service is missing in Windows. For a more in-depth look, be sure to check out the article we link in the description down below. Let's try to enable the services installer via the registry editor. Before you begin, however, make sure that you create a system restore point or back up the registry. Open the registry editor and navigate to HKey local machine. System, current control set, services, MSI server. Look for an entry labeled Start. Double click on it. Make sure that the value is set to 2 or 3. If not, make the correction, then click OK. Close the registry, restart your system, and see if the Windows installer is now working. Let's run a DISM scan. If this is a problem caused by corrupted files, we can fix it with a DISM scan. Open a command prompt as an administrator. Type in dism.exe space / online space / clean up one word - image space / restore health and hit enter. The scan will take a few minutes, so be patient. Once finished, restart your system and see if you can access the Windows installer then. If we are still having problems, then we can try and reset it. In the article, we have a file, reset MSI server zip file. Once downloaded, open the file, click on reset MSI server.reg to merge it with the Windows registry. After that, you can delete this file, restart your system, and see if the Windows installer is there now. If we are still having problems and you can't find the Windows installer, then a system restore might be a good solution. Type in system restore. Click on the button that says system restore. Look for a restore point from before you had this problem. Follow the on-screen prompts, and this will restore your system to an earlier time. The downside of this is that any apps or software installed after that restore point will need to be reinstalled. If you are still not able to find the installer, then your remaining solution will be to do a clean install of Windows. You can perform it from a bootable media device or a direct download from Microsoft. Also, if you're using Windows 10, it might be a good time to try out Windows 11. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.